The OpenSky secured card doesn't run a traditional credit check, which means approval depends more on your deposit and identity verification than your credit score. By the end, you'll know exactly what OpenSky looks for, what usually blocks approval, and the simple steps that increase your chances of getting approved fast. First requirement is identity verification. You need a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, plus basic personal details like address and income information. If anything doesn't match official records, the application can get delayed or rejected. Next factor is the security deposit. OpenSky is a secured card, so your deposit becomes your credit limit. If you don't fund the deposit properly after approval, the account won't activate. Most application issues happen right at this stage because the payment doesn't go through or the funding step is skipped. Another key point is banking information. You'll usually need a valid bank account to fund the deposit. If the bank transfer fails, the application can sit in a pending state or be canceled automatically. Double-check routing and account numbers before submitting payment. Approval itself is usually straightforward because there's no credit score screening, but that doesn't mean instant activation. The system still checks for identity mismatches, duplicate applications, or flagged information. Even small inconsistencies can slow things down. If you've been previously denied, it's usually not about credit history. It's more often linked to application errors, unpaid previous balances with the issuer, or failed deposit attempts. Fixing those issues before reapplying is more effective than waiting. Once approved, the final step is funding your deposit. Until that money is successfully processed, your card won't be usable. That's the main point people miss when they think they're approved but can't spend yet. If your application is stuck, the fastest fix is to log back into the application portal, confirm your identity details, and retrieve the deposit funding step. If it still doesn't go through, customer support can manually review the application status. To summarize, getting approved for OpenSky comes down to accurate identity details, successful deposit funding, and avoiding simple application errors. There's no traditional credit approval process, so most rejections are preventable. Your next step is to double-check your information and make sure your deposit funding method is working before submitting. If this helped you understand the approval process clearly, like the video and subscribe for more simple credit card breakdowns like this.